So you go outside, but you just need an excuse. I got one. Instagram, I see it. It says Adventure Scientist. Volunteer. So here I am. I signed up for that. Now I'm heading outside. It's very much like hiking, but I'm gonna go be doing something. It's not just being outside just to be outside. I'm gonna be helping out some scientists. Vocationally, I'm forklift certified. But this afternoon, in a few hours, I'm gonna get some training. I'm gonna be a scientist. Excuse to go outside. I learned something new. I go outside, check, check, check. Good times to be had. Now you got your excuse. Come outside. Let's go. Should be interesting. Alright, let's see here. We got the bugs in the net. I don't know if you can see those. Alright. And here I have my sample set. First thing I gotta do is go ahead and get my samples collected, and then I think I dropped the paper in there at the end. So, first of all, I get a vial right here. And then I have my aspirator. I'm going to use this to grab the bugs out of the net. And then I'm going to put them in the vial. So this should be a pretty straightforward process. After I've done that, I'm going to notate the numbers on the packets, and then write the same number inside, put it in here, so that way it's all good custody of stuff. All right, see if I can actually get these bugs out. This is the first time I try. Yep. Collecting set number 2. Okay. Get your insect sample bag right there. All right, there we go. And your vial right here. Okay. Down here. And we're gonna go here. We're gonna start collecting our insects. All right. Here we go. I'm gonna do it until here, actually. All right, this is our situation here. This is a nice little bag. Okay, so apparently can't even like do that. They will escape. All right. Hey. Let's go. They are like, don't trap me. Okay. You suck through here. There's a filter here to make sure that you don't get bugs inside your mouth. All right. Get us a bug. That's a stinger on that one. Woo, baby. Okay. Let's see here. All right, I'm turning you off, okay? You know what's going on. I know what's going on. Editor here asking you to like, and if you're getting any sort of entertainment or value out of this video, please subscribe. I could use the subscribers to grow this movement. That is so cool. Collecting is already dead. I like that. Oh, I love this. All right, I just finished that up. I got my patches. All right, that was a good time here with the OSA area. There we go. It's upside down here. Adventure scientists. Great time. All right, let's see here. Takeaways. Easy way to get out. You learn something. Learn some information about how to collect data. You get an understanding of the biodiversity and what pieces of information are needed. This is information that is, citizen scientist driven, and this is information that's going to be provided to scientists that may not be able to get resources or get funding to conduct those studies that are going to be vital, important, especially for water movement and all the resources we need. So, great way to be outdoors, get outside, touch nature. You are nature. Connect with your community. You're serving your community by being out there. And you're learning a new skill. So, and I'm going to continue doing this whenever I go outside. So I'm not just outside just to gander. I can help out with a bigger mission. All right. So a day spent collecting bugs. How did that go? Instead of just going outside and hiking. Well, it was great. I got to walk around in a beautiful area that I typically would not have kind of unrestricted access to. So that was fun. I got to go catch the bugs. Win. That's a win in my book. I'm down for that one. I'm about the bug catching, okay? So catching the bugs, definitely for me. And then I got to hang out, chill out, no hurry, didn't have to get anywhere. 3 to 5 vials. I got 3 done. No one's stressing me out. Just get it done when I get it done. I got him. Beautiful. Can't recommend it more. So, how would you be outdoor-ish instead of being outdoorsy? Instead of just going out there and adventuring for no further purpose, would you adventure for a purpose? Would you be down to give meaning to your effort? Just asking. Later, Rangers.